Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So as you can see, we are in my office today, but I've got something super cool planned out for today.
I don't know about that.
What we're going to be doing is we're going to be using ChatGPT to build my dream car. You might be wondering what my dream car is, and to put it simple, my dream car is not a cheap one. It's none other than the 2023 Audi R8. Now, 2023 isn't a specific year that I love over another. It's just the last year that they made the Audi R8. So, let's get into it. So to start out, let's just find a car. How much does a 2023 Audi R8 cost? Let's specify that we want an R8 GT and we want all-wheel drive. So we'll skip all to the bottom. We don't need all the information. We just want to know. Used market as of recent listing, pre-owned 2023 R8 GT models priced around $178,000 to $277,000. So we're gonna go mid-range and we're gonna say something like 230. Is that work? $230,000. That's what we're starting our base with the car. Now, my dream car specifically is a 1500 horsepower twin turbo, full-blown street car is what I'm looking for. So to get to that point, you need to add some parts essentially to go from the 602 horsepower that the Audi R8 GT starts with to the 1500, almost tripling the power that it comes with to satisfy my needs. Off the bat, we need a built engine. So how much to build an Audi R8 engine capable of 1500 horsepower?
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
So as you can see here, built long block forged internal sleeving headwork, $30,000 to $45,000. We're gonna go ahead and just put 37. We'll say 37, somewhere in the mid-range. A twin turbo kit, as you can see here, Sheepy Race is the first one that comes up. I personally love everything that Sheepy Race does. We'll go with the Sheepy Race. So we're gonna go down here and we're gonna ask, how much does it cost for the, I believe it's called the Mac Daddy kit from Sheepy Race. Right, twin turbo kit, 91,000. Let's figure out what all does that come with. Oh, never mind. I'm just now seeing, once I actually slow down a second, Elite 1500. That's one I'd never heard of.
Retarded means slow. Was he slow?
No.
Then you don't sound retarded to me.
1500 is our number to hit. So, Elite 1500 wheel horsepower. Mac Daddy only does 1250, which is still insane, but...
Yes, you're a queen.
1500 is what we're looking for. 135,000 and tax. So we're gonna go 135 and change. Okay, so now I'm interested hearing about the Elite 1500. What comes in the Elite 1500? What comes in the Elite 1500 kit? Now, the Mac Daddy I know comes with a lot of stuff like the full turbo kit, trans build, differential axles, cooling, tuning, ECU, stuff like that. So let's see what the 1500 comes with. So from what it looks like, pretty much all the same bolt-ons essentially. Comes with ECU, intake manifold. Oh, so a bigger manifold. That's an Elite 1500 specific. Pretty much all the same things. So next, we're going to do our wheel and tire setup. The tire that I love the most on these supercars is the R888R, and the wheel that I chose was the RM105. I believe it's on weld. So how much does a weld RM105 wrapped in R888R for this car cost? All right, so it looks like RM105 forged wheel, single bead lock, Toyota 888R's estimated total cost looks like we're looking at 13. So we've got our car, we've got a fully built engine, we've got a full turbo kit set up with all the bolt-ons, a built transmission, pretty much everything that we need for our setup. So at this point, it comes down to really just looking at cosmetics. I think it's time that we figure out how much it's going to cost for the best tint and the best wrap.
Yo, the words got you talking cripple. My advice to Eli is to start rapping, stick to walking cripple.
So what is the best wrap and tint for this car? How much will it cost? I've always thought that a matte black looks best on this car, so that's what I would choose. We're gonna go on the high side. We're gonna skip all that, and we're gonna just go with $8,500. So I really think there's nothing else except for the one thing that I'm gonna add is how much do good traction bars cost. Now this might be part of the Elite 1500 or whatever, but I'm going to put it on there just to save myself or whatever. We're going to go with this highest price one, $1,500. So now we're at the end. So as you can assume, I've got a lot more videos that I need to make in order to get to that. But what I need from you is to subscribe. Lastly, before I close this out, we're going to ask ChatGPT to make me a picture of what this car looks like. Okay, wow, that's pretty cool actually. That's pretty down to the T. If anyone was wondering what the car I want is, this is it. This is pretty much it. It's pretty cool that, you know, ChatGPT can do something like this and create, I mean, obviously it doesn't look real, but for the most part, I mean, you can tell what the car is that I want. So basically, I'm just gonna keep thinking about this photo for the rest of my life now. I thought it was interesting to see all the stuff and how quickly ChatGPT could tell you, rather than having to do all of the research on all the parts and whatnot that you had to have. Basically just told you right off the bat what it cost, and obviously there's a lot of things you don't account for, like I didn't account for a lot of labor in this video, but I mean, for the most part, I think for $400,000 you can get it done. So with that being said, make sure to like this video if you did like it, comment what you thought you liked about it, subscribe. If you subscribe, it helps me hit the algorithm and I can make more videos. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Share if you feel so inclined. Let me know what you guys want me to do in the future. I'm trying to be more high energy, so you will watch to the end. And yeah, just let me know what you want to see in the future so I can either do more videos with my BMW or whatever you guys want. Just let me know. So until next time, peace.